With Dodge's announcement last week about the new jailbreak Redeye option, you may be thinking this is the perfect time to order a car, that Dodge is doing things that no other company is doing. But what if I told you that is actually not the case? That jailbreak is actually the beginning of the end. That jailbreak is actually a big problem going forward as Dodge opens more garage doors. In this video, let's take a step back, put down the Kool-Aid, and let's go over the issues about jailbreak. So enough of the fluff, let's get into the stuff. Now let's quickly go over Jailbreak. Jailbreak was a red cell with a lock on the garage door, and if you read the press release, this option will allow you to configure your Redeye Widebody Challenger and Charger in any color that you want, no restrictions. Now this is right out of McLaren MSO or Audi exclusive playbook, allowing you to customize your vehicle exactly how you want it, and with the crazy price tag. Because with Jailbreak, you're stuck on only being able to modify one of the most expensive models, the Redeye Widebody, not the Scat Pack, RT, or heck even the more expensive Superstock. You do get a Superstock tune and get 10 extra horsepower, but you do have to select the Redeye Widebody in order to get the Jailbreak option. Then add 1K and then you can do as you please. But this is also where the fun ends. If you look at the fine print, you can only order the SRT Jailbreak from a Dodge Power Broker dealer. So if you have a dealer that you prefer to go to, you might be SOL if they don't get into the program and might be forced to deal with one of the stupid high ADM dealers lurking out there. Now here's where some confusion comes in. If you look at Dodge's website, it says that Dodge Power Brokers can order jailbreak models. But if you look at the Stellantis press release page, you can see that it says you can order for all dealers. If you look around the internet, you get some places saying you gotta go to Power Brokers, some say all dealers. Now this right here sounds like Dodge and Stellantis need to get on the same page and make up their mind. Dodge said they will unveil the Power Broker dealers and direct connection program soon, and we will find out in December the dealers and how many there are. But this is also another part of the problem. I'll go more in depth in my next few videos about the Never Live program, but if you can only get everything from these garage doors from the Power Brokers, imagine how hard it's going to be to get some of the cars we were promised to be coming. Now if you remember last year, Dodge signed an agreement with Unifor for 3 Hellcat variants by 2024. If you look at TFL's video from the LA Auto Show, Dodge specifically calls this Challenger the Challenger SRT Jailbreak. So this is officially a variant number 1 and we still have 2 more to go. Now if these other variants are limited and game changers as the Dodge CEO says, imagine if this was the case when the Demon came out with only 3,000 cars up for grabs and you're going to get it from let's say 50 Power Brokers. With simple math, you will see that if 50 dealers were on the way of getting 3,000 Demons, imagine the ADM dealers holding 60 Demons for 50K ADM ransom. Now part of the Power Brokers program was that you had to go to them in order to get your car modified with the stage 1 and stage 3 packages under warranty, but you shouldn't be forced to order specific cars from them. In these remaining garage doors, there is an over 900 horsepower Hellcat variant that Dodge is working on inside one of them. But just imagine if it was perhaps a limited run of a car I talked about in the previous video, and everyone trying to get the final ultimate form of the Hellcat platform from only a handful of dealers. You can start to see where this would be a recipe for a disaster. Just saying. Jailbreak is nothing special. It's basically just a Redeye with a Superstock tune that I guess a few videos ago, and then you're allowed to also customize it however you want, like if you were to go to one of the European brands. There are a lot more garage doors to be open, and I wouldn't recommend purchasing Jailbreak. And why would you want to be stuck with Jailbreak when you know for a fact there are 2 more Hellcat variants that's still on the horizon in the final 24 months of the Hellcat platform? And that's it for this video, guys. Help me out and spread the word to not purchase Jailbreak. Give this video a thumbs up and let Dodge know on their social media accounts they do not want to be forced to deal with a Power Brokers dealer to purchase cars. They shouldn't be forced to deal with a dealer you might have had nothing to do with, that you might not even like, that you might have go to either another state depending on if there's a Power Broker in your state or not. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to help a brother out, and until the next video, I'll be sticking my noses in Dodge business yet again.